All right, here we go. Tennessee in the morning. Ron just came in from Michigan, and we're going to Tennessee tomorrow. This will be my third trip down in the last 3 years. The first year I was just filming. Last year I was killing and filming. And we're gonna mix it up this year. It's gonna be good. I don't know if I'm gonna get the bow out. I probably will, but I wanna make sure she's good. She's good.
Yeah, oh my Lord, watch me sway. Darkness falls and we all pray, hoping for the light of day. Down to the river I have held the devil's hand, felt the weight of my own sin, burdened by the heart of man. Down to the river, down to the river. Oh, bury me, carry me, oh, far beneath, oh, fire and water me, going down deep, saying, oh, bury me, carry me, oh, far beneath, oh, fire and water me, washing me clean, kerosene creek.
Gobble, yeah. It's a lot more exciting.
Whole lot of excitement packed up in a bird that'll drive you crazy, make you mad, piss you off, make you just want to just curse your grandmother. But then when you kill one, it's so worth it. You know?
There's a couple there. At least. I probably should look my gun, don't you think? Probably. So my other camera's right over there in that corner where it's turned up. Yep. That's that Hanson coming up there the other day. That was a different one. That was a different bird. They're all starting to wake up now. Ready? There's two. Yep, yep. Just be ready. Don't move too much. Gosh, yes, dude. Don't move too much. Yeah, because he's looking back. Just be careful. Say if he starts walking off, bust his head. Okay. Bust him. He's coming up here, Ron. Ron, if he's the only one, just shoot him, okay? Let him get up here. Let him get up here. I'm gonna shoot him, Ron. Can you shoot him?
I can shoot him.
Shoot him, Ron. Just a second. No, just a second, man. You ain't gonna be able to swing that gun, are you? Get on him, buddy.
Got him. He dead. He dead.
Boom! Sweet! First Tennessee bird.
Run, run.
On the film.
Woo. Oh my gosh, that never gets old. I'm about to have a heart attack. I think I just peed. Hey, is that bearded hen out there? Just a second. No, she gone. She gone. One was an inch bird, the other one was 7/8.
Yeah, sit here. All right, go back. By count, no counts added. You'll have to add. Just put that in.
What's up, Pops? Well, your Remington 870 got my first Tennessee bird.
Down to the river.